Slow Wi-Fi at home? Poor reception due to thick walls or distance? Want Wi-Fi in the backyard or porch? No worries. TP-Link has a solution for that. With the Deco family of whole home mesh Wi-Fi system, you can blanket the inside and outside of your home with strong and fast Wi-Fi. The Deco units work together to provide an ultra-fast and reliable Wi-Fi network throughout your home. With smart roaming and AI-driven mesh technology, you can experience seamless, stable connections. Powered by the latest Wi-Fi 6 and 6E technologies, Deco mesh systems provide a smooth and enjoyable Wi-Fi experience for multiple devices, whether you are video conferencing, streaming, or even VR gaming. Deco PoE, add versatility to your Wi-Fi setup. With built-in PoE, you can power your Deco units with an Ethernet cable without worrying about proximity to a power outlet. Install your Deco on the wall, or mount to a ceiling for optimal placement, giving you better Wi-Fi performance. Deco Powerline, a hybrid mesh and powerline device that provides a strong Wi-Fi network utilizing your home's existing electrical wiring as an Ethernet backhaul. Ideal for users who need Wi-Fi in structures with concrete, bricks, and other materials that may hamper Wi-Fi signal performance. Deco Outdoor, designed for those that need Wi-Fi outside. With flexible mounting and PoE design, you can mount the Deco on a pole or a wall to allow Wi-Fi deployment. Designed with resistance to water and dust, the Deco Outdoor system is made to weather the elements. The Deco family of mesh systems offer a solution that caters to virtually any scenario with expansive coverage for a plethora of devices.